My experience with Nacro has made a huge impact on my life. It shaped who I am, both as a leader, but also as a human. I started at Nacro when I was 23, managing young people's services. I've then done pretty much every job or every layer, particularly in our Justice and Health Directorate, more recently in business development and across housing as well. People always say to me, why have you been there so long? Because I've been really lucky that every job between a team leader and interim chief exec, I've never once in 13 years dreaded going to work, and I love the people that I work with. I love the work that we do. I'm really passionate about us getting it right for service users, and I love spending my time with them and really understanding their stories. It's an organisation that very much has my heart. I just love being surrounded by such brilliant people. You know, every time I go out and visit staff in services, I kind of come away and just think they've no idea how brilliant they are and what a difference they're making, and that's what makes me really proud. I'm very confident that if we're still delivering services in 60 years' time, they will be just as brilliant as they are today. If I could describe Nacro in one word, wonderful. Just think it's wonderful. It's a wonderful place to work. I think we do wonderful stuff. I think we work with wonderful people.